Welcome, my Substack friends. You are in the right place if you are ready to welcome your new subscribers. This is episode 4, Create a Friendly Welcome. Let's get started. Now, before we do anything with payments, we want to make sure we have a personalized, friendly welcome to our new subscribers. So, from our dashboard, we are going to go down to Settings, and we're going to the Email section. You can scroll down or click on Emails. And we are going to edit welcome email to new subscribers. And we get right to the edit page. This actually isn't too bad, but we want it a little bit more personalized. Before we do that, I'm going to go back a screen, because just in case you see a welcome page here and you see this welcome page photo, you might think, oh, I need to do that. If you have an image of yourself and in 60 seconds you can find it and get it uploaded, great, go ahead, do it. Otherwise, this is not the time for it. We can do this later. We want to get our Substack out and working fast. So we are just going to concentrate on the basics. All right, back to editing. Now, in the checklist, I have included some prompts you can use. Now, a lot of times AI does come back verbose, gives you lots of things. So try not to make this too overcomplicated. Don't add too much to it. I'm going to show you what I'm going to add. If you want more help with figuring out what to write here, I will go into it more with some more examples in the Substack Launchpad course. But again, this is simple, easy. You don't need to do much here. Just get a little personalization and we'll be ready to go. So I'm going to try to show you the changes I made so that they're easy to see. They're very subtle, but it just adds a little bit more personality. So I'm going to say, hi there, thanks for signing up, just the same. I'm glad you're here. You'll start receiving these posts. You can log in and read past posts. Very similar to what's there, just a little bit more my style, a little bit more personable. I'm going to add a quick hello. So say who I am, a little bit about what this is for, a little bit of fun. And there, again, this is up to your personality, what to do. And then just to change it up a little bit, I'm going to change the some housekeeping. I like the some housekeeping. It's great to have in there. I think this is great information. I'm just going to change it up a little bit. Again, just make it a little bit more of my style. And if people are used to it, they'll not look like everybody else's. So there I can get that. And I'm going to add a final closing down here. Something like that. Feel free to share with your friends. And my closing and save. Saving, and there it is. That's how easy it is to get it going. Don't overthink it. Keep it simple to begin with. We can always improve on it. All right, that's it for episode 4. We'll see you for the next episode. Keep it clear, keep it simple. We got this.